All right, so I'm already hooked up here. This is me, and here we go. All right, an action verb. Action verbs are a word that describes the action that somebody is doing. So let's watch a quick video on your phones and on the screen to review what an action verb is.
Get Cartman! Kid in the kennel!
Action verbs, you see them when you read. Action verbs, you use them when you write.
All right, moving on to our next slide here. We have our matching game. So connect the picture to the action verb. Awesome. So we have the data up here. Move on to our next one. Now, draw someone participating in an action verb. So I'm gonna draw this. And it looks like we got a picture of someone running. Great, that is an action verb. All right, so here is a little field trip that you can go on. Go ahead and look around this mountainside. What is something you could do, an action verb, on this mountainside? So I would say probably hiking. Oh, look, there's some people who have been hiking. You could also say maybe running or sightseeing. Seeing would be your action verb there. All right. Now we're ready to take a quiz. Let's go. Right there. All right. And finally, go ahead and answer, why are action verbs important? I'm going to go ahead and share this one with everybody in the class because that's a great answer. They let a writer communicate to the readers what someone is doing. You couldn't do that without an action verb. If they're doing an action, a writer needs to use an action verb to tell the readers what that person is doing. Great thought. All right, that is the end of our review.